like to plug into a light pole tonight. We're going to plug it to the light pole. So check this out. Here you go. What we got right here? The Queens of Cali. LASC. Queens of Cali, baby. Where the Queens at? Where the Queens at? I like the Queens, baby. Who we got? Philadelphia. We got the Ram Queens. Ram Queens. LA, right? Ram Queens, LA. We got the Cycles that look. Cycles that look. Right. Oh, we got the Cycles Galaxy in here. Oh, Alabama, baby. 2 miles away. Cool. We got the Dance City Riders from ATL. Look over here from Louisville. Hey, man. We got the one of the fast ladies out here. Can't go to North Carolina. No, Will. Peace and love. Greenville, North Carolina. We got the Riders. ATL. River City Riders. United Bikers. Street Street. Outlaw. Biker Brothers. Baby, y'all, United Brothers, St. Louis Brothers, Mystic Wheels, Brothers Riding Organization, LOL, up in the building, baby.
Go tell them where the Cali folks at, because we all in one section.
Yo, down in order. Big Mannie out here at ATL, out here on Loud Speedway. What you got to say, people? Out there on the ground.
2,700 and something odd miles on this ground. Best believe it. And I'm going back home on the ground.
On the ground.
Anti-car, anti-truck. Here with my young homie from LA. Young
Right. Yeah.
1,000 down there.
Yeah. Out here at ATL, we on Ladder Speedway. Look, check the background out. This ain't no photo shop shit, nothing like that. Right here.
Go get her. Under. Future. Ride. East Bay Dragon. Oakland, California riding. Not 2 riding. G18 riding. Jersey riding. They are riding. Street riding. Fantasy lady. Crazy Kate. Older riding. Neptune riding. Night Owl riding. Ass riding. We're all riding.
Big Push, what you got to say about it, man? We're on ATL, right here on the track, in front of the whole world.
ATL shit ain't no joke.
Ain't no joke.
This is my first really
Real
round
riders
up.
make some noise.
Shit
Go
hard.
real riders.
We
Look
ain't
at
no
all these
joke.
motherfuckers.
Right motherfucker in the crowd.
Well, let me tell you something. If you're a real rider, this song goes out to you. Give it to me.
So you're going to do it live out there for the crowd. Let them know how it. Let them have it. Go get them there. So that Cali love.
Hey, baby!
All y'all in here, I want to have a good time. How many of y'all are left-handed out here? Who's left-handed? How many of y'all are right-handed? Who's right-handed? So let's start it from the right. Let's start it from the right then.
Here it goes. Atlanta Speedway.
I just told the crowd, I think you're one of the best athletes of our time. 25 years of racing, is that correct? 25 years of racing.
This is for where the niggas they still gotta do pyro.
And I can tell you, Harley Davidson's going to be with all the headlines of me meeting Mandela and everything else, but that was a really good, we debuted the motorcycle in Times Square, like 18 degrees. A lot of people see it in the 202 magazine, but I'm currently leading